Hi everyone, my name is Miriam. I'm an automation engineer in one of the financial institution companies and active full-time mom to a precious daughter. I have worked in so many different areas, of course, and most of them were like service areas. It's like physical jobs. I have been a nail technician and I have been a cab driver. Funny thing that I used to take customers from the buildings which I am working right now. I was like, what type of people work here? Like what they do, what they have extra that I don't have, you know? And I used to dream like they used to go to lunch and we used to drive there and then, they used to be our customers. I was just dreaming like, can I work in this kind of building too? What should I do for that? You can't imagine, but my first interview was one of those buildings. It was Deloitte. I was a new mom. My daughter was very little. She used to stay with me at home. She didn't go to any daycare back then, and think like I was a full-time mom and having this intense course. That was really hard for me because I really wanted to study more. Not because I was smart, because I have that much passion and desire to finish this course. I never had a feeling to give up. I didn't go that road, I never thought about that. I'm a mom now. I want to be best of myself. And she was my motivation that I want to be part of her life, not the mom who misses all activities or like things that they do at schools and you are busy because you have a work or you have to do nails and you cannot just leave and go, because in those industries they don't have family priorities. In IT, you have your families first. Even everyone, like even managers, everyone says that, okay, families first, of course. So no matter what, if my family needs me, I just drop everything and go. I remember one of the students, they came, graduators, and they shared their story. I was online student, and the other side of the screen, I was sitting and crying like, one day I'm gonna be there and I'm gonna do a speech to the students like this, like, hey, I was there. I know where you are right now. It's so hard. And being a full-time mom and having a kid who doesn't go to daycare, plus being an online student, and I did it. And like, if I did it, you can do it too. Money before I used to make was definitely less than I am doing right now. Double less than, I would say. But right now, I'm doing 6 figures. I want to have a different lifestyle, not the mom who runs between home and work and does the work till like say 9 p.m. and then you go outside, it's dark already, and where is life? Like my daughter is growing, and I would look at her and say like, oh, she's 5, oh, she's 10 now, like, and missing all her life activities, and I wouldn't be part of it. So for me was definitely lifestyle, and lifestyle of course changed. That's why I came to Cydeo. That's why I had these courses, and that's why I am here. Whoever is watching this video, I think they're watching it for a reason, right? They're looking for a change in their lives. Maybe it's because of the pay, maybe it's because of the lifestyle, or because of their mission, or I don't know, whatever the reason is. If I can do it, I definitely say that anyone can do it, because as I said, my situation, I didn't have that flexibility of time. I didn't have that IT background. I cannot say I'm smart, but I have a desire. I have a strong willing to study. So anyone can do it, whoever has a strong willing to study. I didn't get that chance to be interviewed with many companies. I got interviewed with one, and then while processing that one, without having answer to that one, I was interviewed with the second one, and then I got a job offer. I'm here. I'm a fresh mom. I don't have a job. Do I want to go back to the service job, or do I want to change my life? Okay, if I am changing, what it is gonna take, how long I'm gonna study, what days, how many hours I will be able to play with my daughter. She needs my attention too. Okay, and this much time I need to study and she won't see me. But Does it worth to study for the life that I want? And I did all the calculation. Trust me, I'm nerd of it. I like writing. I like clearing things out in a paper, and I did that. So, like whoever is watching this, they can do this too, and they will be sure that they will come up with the same idea that I had at that time. That studying, going for it, is definitely the only way to change your life. I would recommend this school to everyone who wants to change their lives. Rate would be 10 out of 10. Why exactly Cydeo? Is because there is no other idea. Because brand itself tells us that Cydeo has great teachers, mentors. They have tons of graduators. If you need motivation or if you need help, communities really huge.